Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best extra large basket is probably one of the most versatile storage solutions you can find. Whether you're looking to tidy up your living room, organize your bedroom, or even keep your laundry sorted, this basket has you covered. Its generous size and sturdy construction make it ideal for a variety of uses, from storing blankets and pillows to toys and games. So, if you're tired of clutter and looking for a stylish and practical storage solution, you're in the right place. Number 5. Mind Reader Slim 60L Laundry Hamper. Introducing the Mind Reader Slim Laundry Hamper. This hamper is designed to make laundry day easier. It's a stylish and practical solution for your home. With a generous 60-liter capacity, it can hold plenty of clothes, towels, or linens. It can handle up to 15 kilograms or 33 pounds of laundry. This makes it perfect for families or anyone with a lot of laundry. Its slim and tall design is perfect for small spaces. It fits easily in bathrooms, laundry rooms, or small living areas. This makes it a great choice for apartments or condos. The premium plastic weave allows for natural air circulation. This helps to prevent odors and keeps your clothes fresh. It's a stylish and functional design. Each hamper includes a hinged lid for a tidy look. It also features cutout handles for easy transport. This makes it easy to move the hamper from room to room. The hamper measures 17.65 L x 13.75 W x 24.15 H at the top. It is tapered for a space-saving footprint. This ensures it fits well in various spaces. What we like? This hamper's slim, tall design is perfect for small spaces. The ventilated wicker style allows for air circulation, keeping your clothes fresh. If you have a compact bathroom or laundry room, this hamper is a great choice. What people say. The top closes and opens easily. It's very sturdy and has a lid. It's sturdy. It has some ventilation, but I still let towels dry a bit before they go in the hamper. It does its job well. Number 4. SONGMICS Storage Basket with Lid, 17.2 gallons. This storage basket comes with a convenient lid. It's easy to open with one hand, providing quick access to your items. The lid also helps to contain odors and keeps dust away. The basket features a sturdy and removable liner made of thick polycotton fabric. You can easily take it out to hand wash or machine wash it. This design ensures the basket stays clean. With a 17.2 gallon capacity, this storage bin is perfect for various uses. Place it next to your sofa for blankets, in your bedroom for laundry, or in your closet for off-season clothes. It's a versatile storage solution. The basket is made with breathable and waterproof PP rattan, keeping your clothes dry. It has a sturdy metal frame that can hold up to 44 pounds. This ensures the basket's durability. Cutout handles make it easy to move the basket around. When not in use, you can fold it away for easy storage. This design provides both convenience and space-saving benefits. What we like? This basket features a removable liner for easy washing. It offers a large capacity, perfect for blankets or laundry. If you are looking for a versatile storage solution that can be easily folded away when not in use, consider this one. What people say. It comes with the needed tools and extra accessories like plastic knobs to screw into the bottom, making the basket easy to move around. I really love that it includes a lid and a linen liner. It is also well made and sturdy. It has stood up to daily opening and closing of the lid and the weight of 2 queen-sized blankets and 2 standard pillows. Number 3. BCP Vintage Hyacinth Storage Basket. This storage basket is built to last. It features sturdy metal wireframes and cross-sections, ensuring it can handle all your organizing needs. Made with natural hyacinth, this basket brings an authentic feel to any room. The handwoven texture adds a touch of nature to your home. This versatile basket is perfect for various uses. Whether as a plant holder, storage solution, or even an extra seat, it's a charming addition. Easily move your belongings around the house. The design allows for convenient transport, and the lid keeps everything secure. Keep your living room, bathroom, or bedroom tidy with this stylish storage solution. It offers an aesthetically pleasing way to organize your space. The basket measures 17 inches long, 17 inches wide, and 19.5 inches high. It's the perfect size for various storage needs. What we like. Made with eco-friendly Hyacinth, this basket adds a natural touch to any room. It's multi-purpose, suitable for plants or storage. If you like a stylish and sustainable storage option for your home, this is a great choice. What people say. The basket is beautifully designed, with sturdy construction and a spacious interior, making it perfect for organizing and storing items like blankets, toys, or miscellaneous household essentials. The lid fits securely, keeping everything inside neat and hidden, which adds a touch of tidiness to any room. Well made and sturdy. Works great to store items in our sunroom. Number 2. Best Choice Products Water Hyacinth Storage Chests. Introducing these beautiful water hyacinth chests. They are handwoven from 100% natural materials, adding a touch of nature to your home. These baskets are perfect for organizing anything. Use them for laundry, beauty products, or cleaning supplies. Designed with side handles, it's easy to move around. The stackable design makes storage simple and convenient. Built with a strong frame, it can support heavier items. The metal wireframes underneath ensure long-lasting use. This set of 2 provides an attractive storage solution. Place them in your living room, bathroom, or bedroom to keep things tidy. The large basket is 21.25 L x 14.5 W x 10 H, and the small one is 18 L x 12.25 W x 8 H. The weight capacities are 15.3 pounds and 13.3 pounds, respectively. What we like. This set of 2 baskets provides ample storage with a strong frame. The convenient organization helps you keep your space tidy. If you are looking for a complete storage solution for multiple rooms, you should consider these. What people say. Look great, just as pictured, and can tell they are good quality, durable. They are sturdy, yet lightweight and can hold quite a bit. These baskets are heavy, with well-metal frames and tightly woven wicker. Number 1. SONGMICS Laundry Hamper with Lid ULCB 509B01. This laundry hamper offers a generous 23.8 gallon, 90 L, capacity, perfect for a week's worth of laundry. It simplifies your routine, providing ample space for your clothes. The lid keeps dust away and conceals your laundry. The faux leather logo doubles as a handle, adding a touch of elegance and making it easy to open. The removable liner, secured with hook and loop fasteners, has drawstrings that act as handles. You can also use it as a wash bag for sorted washing in the machine. Made from 600D Oxford fabric, this hamper is water-resistant, tear-resistant, and easy to clean. Its structure, reinforced with fiberglass rods, ensures everyday stability. You can assemble this laundry basket in just 5 minutes with clear instructions. No tools are needed, making it a hassle-free addition to your home. What we like. This laundry hamper offers a large capacity, perfect for a week's worth of laundry. The removable mesh liner doubles as a wash bag. If you are looking for a laundry basket that is easy to assemble and disassemble, this is a great option. What people say. Extra large basket with lid is perfect for storing blankets and pillows. The lid keeps everything dust-free. The basket is very sturdy. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.